Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. It's our final presentation assembly of the year, and as you can see, we're here for the nursery presentation assembly. It is Friday the 15th of July 2022. We're to celebrate all those children who have been amazing in nursery. Not only that, towards the end as well, we've also got Child of the Year. So Miss Wright and all the teachers in nursery have chosen a Child of the Year. We've got a lovely video there to watch as well with that, okay? But you'll see these amazing children who've been working so hard throughout this year, getting lots and lots of certificates at the end of the year. So let's watch this carefully now. Here we go. We've got, look at these mathematicians. Look at that. Look at Sammy, Ashton, Jessica, Oscar and Noah. Look at the big smiles on their faces. They should be smiling. They've just got their math certificates. Well done, you superstars. Absolutely ready for reception. So amazing work on your maths, and just keep it up over the summer. Keep up all that counting. Count as many things as you possibly can. Lots of adding and taking away. So well done, you superstars. And next we've got, look at these guys again. More mathematicians. Look. We've got Brody, we've got Jasmine, we've got Pavel, we've got Zane, and we've got Maisie. Look at the smile, look at this, Zane. Yes, you should be, look at that. You absolutely will be smiling, you superstars. Well done. You have your math certificates to take home with you. What an amazing way to finish nursery, you absolute superstars. Earning those certificates, so really well done. Next we've got our physical development. So now we've got a group of children who are really physically active and don't stop. And they're so good, especially out in the garden. You should see them, they're amazing. And on the monkey bars. And so we've got Kylie, we've got Vita, we've got Ayla, we've got Grace, and we've got Grace. Absolutely superbly, and keeping fit all the time. And we've got another group after them as well. Ready? Look at these, look again. So we've got Victor, we've got Ibrahim, we've got David, we've got Layla, we've got Marcel. Just being really active and working out. And just doing so much exercise while they're outside. They are absolutely amazing. And keep it up over the summer holidays, guys. Keep being really physically active, keep fit, keep well, because you'll have everything, you'll be prepared really well for everything that reception's got then to offer when you start back in September. Okay. We have our, look, understanding the world. Now these children are so inquisitive, asking lots and lots of questions, and got amazing general knowledges already, just for nursery children. So we've got Archie, and we've got Grace, we've got Josh, we've got Jacob, and we've got Malia. Look at that, what beautiful smiles again. You should be so proud, guys. Yes, you've got yourselves your certificates, so really well done. Along with this group as well on understanding the world. Look, here they are. Look, Tatianka, Ava, Evie, Charlie, and Kian. Look at that. Yes. Well done, you nursery children. I am so proud of you. You're so grown up and independent. It is amazing. What an amazing time you've had at nursery, ready for reception. So really well done, guys. Really proud of you. Well done. And next we have our Phonics Stars. Now these guys have been working so hard on their phonics to help them with their reading, which is just going to help them with their writing. It's been amazing. So who have we got? We've got Harriet, we've got Grace, we've got Thea, we've got Joshua, and we've got Kaylee. Look at that again, big smiles on their faces, because they are so proud of all the work they have done on their phonics. And again, I'll just repeat it, please keep it up over the summer with these other children as well. Let's have a little look. Here they are, look at these phonics superstars. So we've got Poppy, we've got Milana, we've got Kian, we've got Julian, and we've got Frida. Super work on your phonics, guys. Please keep it up. Because all of that work on your phonics, you'll be able to blend, you'll be able to read, and you'll be able to write beautifully when you get into reception. So really well done. Huge congratulations on earning those certificates. Enjoy taking them home with you today. So well done. Reading. Now, these guys, not only are they going to get a reading certificate, but they get a reading book to take home with them for over the summer holidays. It's amazing. So who have we got? Ella Bell, Maddie, Eli, and Oscar. Now these guys have been reading lots and lots, but as a little reward for them, as well as a certificate, they've got a reading book to take home with them to read over the summer holidays. And keep it up. And look out for the summer reading challenge as well, that Mr. Allen's going to be setting as well in assembly. So look out for that as well, because that's something you do at your local library. Get to the local library, get as many books out as you possibly can, and read that to try and do the summer reading challenge over the summer holidays, guys. So look out for that. Oh, look out, here we go. 100% attendance. Now, we've got special rosettes for children who have been at school every single day. Now, that's really hard for nursery children. Almost impossible, you would say. But it isn't, because we have a child who has been to every single session and has not missed a single day this year. And that rosette, special rosette, in presentation assembly is going to... Here she is, Harriet! Well done, Harriet, you absolute superstar. In every single day. And that's why you can see she's got certificates as well. So really, really proud of well done, Harriet. And that is an amazing, amazing effort for a nursery child to not miss a single session. So huge congratulations, massive round of applause from Mr. Allen. Really, really well done, you absolute superstar. I am so proud of you. And I'll just set you up ready for reception. So well done. Look, here it is, I mentioned right at the beginning. We've got Nursery Child of the Year. So here, or I say to the teachers in nursery, so I say to Miss Wright, please can we choose a child who's been amazing at all of those things you've seen certificates throughout this year. And you'll see a lovely little video now with that child, celebrating that child and being amazing throughout that. So let's watch this little video now. Here we go.
As always, choosing Child of the Year is a very hard task. We had to think really carefully what makes a great child. When this child first started nursery, they were very shy and quiet. Now they're confident to talk to everybody. This child comes to school with a big smile on their face every day. This child is caring, thoughtful, and is a great friend. This child plays with everybody. They are a pleasure to teach. They are keen to help others out if they have a problem. They share fairly, take turns, and know right from wrong. This child always tries their best. They join in at carpet times wholeheartedly. This child works well with other children. They share their toys and encourage others to join in with their games. This child tries really hard with everything they do. They do not give up when a task is difficult, but keep on persevering. This child loves carrying out small jobs and tasks. This child makes the right choices and always comes to school with a happy, positive attitude. Everybody at nursery thinks that they are fantastic. Let's hear what the nursery staff have to say about this child.
This child is a good friend to everyone. They like to help everyone, play with everyone, and their confidence has grown so much since they first started nursery. Well done. This child has been a pleasure to teach and to see them grow in confidence.
This child has had a great year. They are kind to everyone and they always share with their friends. Their writing has come on so much since they first started nursery and they are now confident in writing their name.
This child was really shy when they first started nursery and would not talk to anyone. Now they'll happily talk to adults and children alike. Their confidence has grown and they've really blossomed. They don't always find everything easy, but they always try their best. Our child of the year is Evie Jarvis. Well done, Evie.
Well done, Evie. There she is. Look at that smile. Well done, Evie. You absolute superstar. Child of the Year for nursery for 21-22. Absolutely, really, really well done. You have been amazing and you are an amazing girl. So really well done, Evie. Look at that amazing big smile. Look at that beautiful painting as well. So really well done. You just make me smile. And as all the teachers said, you are amazing. You have been amazing. And you're just such a lovely, lovely girl. Really well done. Huge congratulations. I'm so, so proud of you. You'll have a little trophy and a certificate to take home with you today as well, because you are Nursery Child of the Year. Really well done. Congratulations. Let's find out what's next. Right, here we go. Look, here we go. As you can see, look, school closes for our summer holidays on Tuesday, the 19th of July, 2022 at 3:15. So Tuesday next week, we close, school closes, ready for the summer holidays. And a final bit of information just for you parents, just to put in your diaries. As you can see, we are back to school on Monday, the 5th of September, 2022, where gates open at 8:30. So that Monday, the 5th, we will be opening. We're having our inset days prior to that in the previous week, so we're open on that Monday. Not all schools are, but we absolutely are. So Monday the 5th of September 2022, when all of those children start in reception. Everyone, please have an amazing, safe summer holiday, and we'll see you all in September. Bye-bye now.